Hi guys, we are 12 weeks post relaxer and we'll be washing our hair today. We got a new clarifying shampoo, the same brand, and my all-time favorite moisturizing shampoo. Yeah, if you've been following me on my channel, you know that I just wash my hair this way, clarify, and then go in with the moisturizing shampoo. Yeah, so I'm just giving my scalp some massage, and I also soak my hair wet. Yeah, whenever you're doing your shampooing, to properly shampoo your hair, you have to make sure that your hair is soaking wet. Yeah, so I was still wetting my hair, making sure that every part of my hair is receiving the water. So we're going with the clarifying shampoo for the first wash. Yeah, you have to focus much on your scalp. That's what is important. But I focused much on my strands because I had put in oil in my hair overnight, and then it was like a pre-poo done overnight. So I had to make sure that my hair is not weighed down with the oil. So I had to apply the clarifying shampoo to my strands as well. But if your hair is not weighed down with any oils, any products, just make sure you focus on your scalp. That's what's important. Yeah, so I kept on washing, and then I never wash my hair without my scalp massage. Yeah, so I massaged my hair with my fingers and then went in with my scalp massage to do the rest of the work. Yeah, so with the second wash, you can see that my scalp is fully clarified. So I go in with my moisturizing shampoo to give my hair some moisture. So, and that will exactly be it. But this time I made sure that I left the shampoo in to continue the other shampoo in, so that when I am done with all the parts, I can wash everything together. Yes, I'm done with the left part, and then I'm going to the right side. So this is how I do shampoo my hair. If you know, or if you follow my channel, you know that this is exactly how I shampoo my hair. I shampoo twice. You don't have to use a lot of products, but this time, I think the last wash that I had, that was when I used the Cantu product, and I really didn't feel my hair washing properly. So I had to go in with the clarifying shampoo twice and then give it some moisture with the moisturizing shampoo. But you also don't have to shampoo too much, because you can dry out your hair, and that is going to break your hair. So we are done, and we are washing the shampoo off from my hair. One advice I will give: if you have a product and it's working for you, please stick to it. Don't say you want to change your products because someone said this product works. Okay, if this is working for me, it might not work for you. You can try, but if it's not working, you have to stick to what you have. So we'll condition the hair now. This my condition has protein, so I'm really not going to do a protein treatment today. This is just a normal post relaxer wash day. say 12 weeks post relaxer. Yeah, I'm not relaxing my hair now. We are stretching our relaxer for 4 months and we are now 12 weeks. We have 4 weeks left, so we have a long way to go. And when you're combing your hair and you meet any knot, I always say this: make sure you finger detangle before you go in with the comb. Very important. And always comb your hair from your ends, moving upwards to your roots. That's what is done right, or that's the right thing to do. There's the amount of hair we lost throughout the wash day. Yeah, so this is what I'll be doing for the other parts, and we wash it off. You're not gonna stay in it for a long time. So if you notice something, you can see that I always finger detangle before I go in with the comb. That is very important to reduce breakage. And you have to be gentle whenever you're combing your wet hair or damp hair. People advise that you don't have to comb your wet hair. Yes, it pulls some of your hair out, but if you're gentle and cautious about it, you're not going to lose much hair. That's what I've been doing. I feel comfortable. My hair is okay when I comb it, not super wet, but when it's a bit damp, and especially when I've put in conditioner in my hair. Yeah, so it works for me that way. And we are done with the conditioning. You sit under the heater for a while, and then we go to the salon for the rest. So I really couldn't take a shot of the salon. I was really tired and I wanted to do a roller set, but I'm not good at it, so I went to the salon for it to be done. So here I'm back from the salon and the rollers are out. So I came home just like this, feeling myself. So I go in with my hair butter as always, and then give it a little massage. Massaging my scalp is something that has become part of me and has really helped me with my hair growth journey. So after the butter, I go in with my argan oil. I've been using this oil for a while. Like, let me see, ever since I started the channel, I've been using it. There was the music in the background which I was really enjoying. So we are done with the wash day. So I was just enjoying my hair, and And then lastly, I go in with my hair oil. I distribute it to my scalp and then massage as well. And then I'll style my hair into any simple low manipulative style. And then I'll leave my hair alone till maybe the next wash day, because these days I really do not like to put on extensions. It's either I'm doing mini braids, medium braids, or I'm just doing a ponytail. Yeah, so I really do not do extensions. Yeah, so we are done, and then we are going to comb the hair in sections little by little, and then we are going to style as I said. So this is exactly my full wash day after 12 weeks post relaxer, and this is how my hair is at the moment. Yeah, so at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe. It's really late that I'm doing this voiceover, that's why I don't want to be shouting, but I'm sure I'm heard. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, give me your comments on the wash day and the videos you're expecting from me. Yeah, we'll be coming up with a challenge in 2025, but not now, maybe February somewhere. Yeah, so this is how my hair is looking, healthy, looking nice. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.